In this video, I'm going to state about how much is LinkedIn Premium. So in order to begin with this video, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go to log in into your LinkedIn account. So when you're logged into your LinkedIn account, it's going to take you to the home page. So here what you have to do is you can just go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right, and as you can see right at the bottom there is a statement stating that premium members get 4+ more profile views on average, and you can also try premium for $0. If you wish to go ahead and try for the premium, you can go ahead and press on the following button, and here you could just go ahead and mark on all of these terms and conditions and click the next button. After that, you could go ahead and select all of these as well, or you could just go ahead and select it accordingly and tap the next button. Once again, do the same procedure, go through the instructions and then follow the prompt. And when you've done that, you just have to go ahead and start with this procedure, and here you'll be taken to this field where it says that try 1 month. So basically the LinkedIn is free for 1 month. However, you have to provide in your card details. Only then you'll be able to access your 1 month free trial. So if you wish to try with this following procedure, then click on try 1 month free, and then you can go through all of these instructions and click on try 1 month free. Now you begin with the registration process. So all you have to do is just enter in your credit card details and tap the save button, and if a credit card is acceptable, then you'll be able to get a LinkedIn Premium at $0, that is for free. So after 30 days your free membership is gonna end and you have to start a new trial, and then you could go ahead and take your subscription. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.